Good afternoon, Boomers. Brian Tong here from Boomer Life. What's today? October. I can't believe it's October already. At least it's finally starting to get cool again. So I've had some questions about health insurance options for people who retire before age 65. So I wrote a blog at boomerlife.net about that, and I want to discuss a little of that with you. And I'm turning it into a video and posting it on YouTube, and I'll share it with my boomerlife.net Facebook group. So if you plan on retiring before turning 65 and become eligible for Medicare, what do you do about health insurance? What are your options? You may have to purchase coverage to bridge the gap. And if so, there are many insurance providers like eHealth that'll help you with that. So can you qualify for Medicare early? There are certain people who can enroll in Medicare early. These include those with end-stage renal disease, Lou Gehrig's disease, and disability from which they've been receiving Social Security disability benefits for at least 2 years. So that's a pretty select bunch. For the most part, early entitlement to Social Security is not available. So what are your options? Basically, you have COBRA, short-term health insurance, Medicaid, a part-time job, or individual and family health insurance. So let's compare. COBRA is the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act, which is the law which allows employees or their dependents to keep their group health insurance coverage through their former employer after they leave the job or retire early. This only lasts, though, for 18 months after the employee leaves the company, which means that you keep the same doctors and the same coverage. It only works with companies with over 20 employees. Those are the only ones required to comply with COBRA, and it may also be expensive. So short-term health insurance. This is available in most states. It's cheaper. It's a cheaper alternative to buying individual or family coverage and can help bridge the gap between retirement and Medicare. The plans are cheaper, but also they offer less comprehensive coverage when compared to marketplace policies. It can also be denied or made prohibitively expensive due to pre-existing conditions. Most independent agents can help you find this kind of policy. Medicaid. Now, this is for very low-income people, and it requires that you be a U.S. citizen and have a naturalized status. Medicaid is the cheapest option, but is also not accepted by 90% of doctors or pharmacies, so it might not be the best option. One of the interesting ones that I've found is finding a part-time job that comes with insurance benefits. It's a great way to kill two birds with one stone, both providing insurance coverage and keeping yourself occupied and busy during retirement. Part-time jobs are typically less demanding and require less commitment. This could be a great opportunity to delve into a field that you want to know more about, do something you've always loved, or turn a hobby into an income stream while getting health insurance coverage before Medicare. And last is individual and family health insurance. In some cases, buying your own health insurance may be your only or best option to finding coverage before you age into Medicare. Navigating the health insurance marketplace can be difficult, especially if you've only received health insurance through your employer in the past. But eHealth will guide you through it. I'm not associated with eHealth, but I've heard good things. You can enroll in health insurance during the annual enrollment period, which runs from November 15th through December 15th in most states for coverage starting on January 1st of the following year. However, you will likely qualify for a special enrollment period when you retire. The 60-day enrollment period allows you to enroll in health insurance any time of the year. So in conclusion, when shopping for health insurance, it's important for you to consider your current health care needs and any needs you anticipate in the future. It's also important to consider your budget and what you can afford. If you need help in figuring out what coverage is right for you, eHealth is the largest online health insurance brokerage, so you can be sure that you will find the best plan for you and your family's needs. There's also others, such as Pivot Health, Aetna, Cigna, Humana, and United Healthcare. I recommend you find an independent agent that can shop all the available sources and find the one that best fits your needs. I hope that was helpful to you. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you on the flip. Boomer Life, Brian Tong out. See ya.